How's it going, guys? Just another quick video today for the alt trader indicator. So obviously we've done a few videos and we'll continue to do some more videos, but if you could also give us a like, subscribe and hit that notification bell, and please comment on what other markets you want us to use the indicator on. It can be used on other markets, so feel free to send a message, whether it's a forex pair or a particular stock or another cryptocurrency that you want to look into. Please like it, share it, subscribe, and yeah, we'll make more videos going forward as well. So this one is a quick video today just to highlight a few things in terms of the indicator, and this is less of a strategy as such. This is more based on actually what this indicator is capable of doing if you have the time to sit and actually move your stop loss, move your take profit, and sort of set your own rules that work best for you and backtest. But this is just an example. So we're on the 30-minute chart today, and this is Cardano USDT. So what I want to do is kind of give you an idea as to when we have a flag and actually when we place our trade, and what kind of percentages we can be looking in terms of where you could easily get in and out. So here's a good example. I mean, this flag came up on here, and what we would look for is kind of whereabouts. So there's at any point here you could be looking at 1%, 2%, 3, 4, 5%, just touching 6%, and that's on one just on one flag there over a day. You could also ride it out till the next flag. I wouldn't recommend that, but in terms of like finding a percentage where you feel comfortable taking, so you might be happy with a 2% gain. So the short comes in, you ride this down, and at any point, I mean, this goes all the way down to 13%. So the calls are on point in terms of, you know, the trend is going down, so the short flag populates up here, and at any point now you're in a position where you could take profit at any given time, where you feel comfortable. If you've done your own TA as well, which if you've looked at some of our videos, you'll see some simple strategies on how you can do your own TA and kind of place where you want your stop losses and take profit. But you could erode this down just over the course of let's say 2 days and easily made 6.75%. The same again here, so some are shorter than others. You're not going to get every trade, not every single one's going to call it correct, but you know, like this one, this is another 8% move. Some trades are going to be longer than others. Some trades you'll earn a higher percentage than others, but overall you can see that there are some massive percentage gains here that you could be looking for on these on this indicator. Like we said already, I mean, it's important that you know what you're doing and you take the time to, you know, put some TA into this, and the more that you do that and the more that you get comfortable using the alt trader indicator and setting, I mean, this is at power 100, so there's less indications for longs and shorts. However, it catches trends more, meaning that there's a bigger percentage that you could gain. So maybe you jumped in on a trade here, and this one particular bar or 2 bars was enough for you to take a profit, because I mean that's 17% off that one trade in 5 hours. So you might have taken your profit there, or you moved your stop loss to here and you still made a profit of 9%. So this is what I mean when I say like moving your take profit and stop loss. Another example here, you know, it goes down, you could have set your stop loss at around 5%, it works its way back up, you hit 5%, that's another gain. If you didn't have a stop loss there, or you kept it to let it just run out and see where you end up, I mean, you could have rode this down to at least 15%. Here's an example here. So this long came in and then there was a short, so again 3.5% that potentially you could have lost. You could have got out sooner if you would have seen that there's a consistent red candles from the first long, and you could have easily saved yourself 2% there. But again, the next short comes in here. We drop that down to, well, 5%. Another 5. If you're looking for 1, 2, up to 5% gains, you're going to find a lot of these. And again, if you've got the time, you could easily make up to 10-15% per trade. The trades will be longer. However, like I said, you essentially are looking at that as a way of, instead of trading 3, 4, 5 times a day, you're trading once every other couple of days. It's a stronger process. I would definitely recommend it, and take the time to use the indicator to go back, try it on another pair, and see kind of what results that you get, so you can kind of find a strategy that works best for you in terms of working around your time frame that you've got, your daily working, if you're only trading on a weekend or in an evening, and look at the charts there and see kind of what works best for you. So just a quick video, just thought I'd highlight this again for Cardano, but please comment in the section below and let us know on any other crypto that you would like us to run a back test on, or test the indicator out, and we'll happily make a video for you and get that posted up as soon as possible. But for now, if you have any questions as well, please feel free to leave a comment. Like I said before, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you in the next video, guys. Take care.